Okay, so here our y is 2 over 9, and our theta is going to be in quadrant 1, because our theta is bigger than 0 and less than pi over 2. So our y is 2 over 9. There's our y, our hypotenuse. And then to find the length, use Pythagorean theorem. So that this is 81 minus 4. 81 minus 4 is 77. 77 is only, the only factors of 77 are 7 times 11. So this cannot be simplified any further. Okay. So sine is 2 over 9. Cosine is root 77 over 9. Tangent is sine over cosine. But this is going to be 2 root 77 over 77. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. Secant is the inverse of cosine. And then when you rationalize the denominator, that's what you will get. And cotangent is the inverse of tangent. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Okay. So here, theta is going to be in quadrant 3. It's bigger than 180, but less than 270, quadrant 3. And cosine is negative 7 over 25. Okay, what is our y value? Pythagorean theorem. Uh, 25 squared is 625. And then 625 minus 49. 576. Well, that's a nice number. 24. Since it's in quadrant 3, this would be negative 24. Okay. So we have sine, cosine was given to us. Tangent is sine over cosine. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. Secant is the inverse of cosine. And cotangent is the inverse of tangent. (74). Theta is bigger than 90, less than 180. This is going to be in quadrant 2, and x is negative in quadrant 2. So x is negative 1/2. This value, let's use a Pythagorean theorem. Well, that's a familiar looking number. Okay. So that sine cosine tangent is sine over cosine. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. So this is going to be secant is the inverse of cosine, and cotangent is the inverse of tangent. Okay. Thank you very much. Please go to tutoring.